Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn money by watching advertisements and ads. So by watching videos. So it's 20 seconds videos you have to watch and earn the amount. So it's really simple tasks. You have to do it, and that's really good way to earn money. So keep watching the video. You have to come on to your Chrome browser, and this website name is surf.b. I have to log into my account. I have to click on login. After clicking on login, so you can see here I have logged in automatically. I have to click on user. After clicking on user, you can see here 0.0003 dollars for 20 seconds video. So this is 20 seconds videos. After watching these videos, one captcha have to come and you have to solve it. So I will show you live in this video. So you have to click on the video. After clicking on the video, so I have switched mobile size to computer size in Chrome. You have to click on the video. After clicking on the video have to open and play. So you can see here the timers run up, 15 seconds left and 10 seconds left. So you have to watch the video for 20 seconds and the time is up. So you have to solve this captcha. After solving this captcha, you have to earn $0.0003. So you can see here captcha have come in. So you have to click on logo, Facebook logo. After clicking on Facebook logo, so you can see here video viewing is complete. So you have to come back, and you can see here you earned $0.003675. So this is, and when you are watching these videos, and first here was 3 videos, and now I have watched 1 video and there have come in another video, and this video have $0.0005. So this is have a little bit of a more amount, and this have to watch for 40 seconds. So all this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends. So the referral link will be in the description, and one another thing is left, that how to withdraw the money. So for withdrawing, you have to first earn the amount of $0.03 and click on withdraw. You have to click on withdraw. So I have to show, you can see here not enough funds on your account to withdraw. You have only 0.0003 USD. Minimal amount is to withdraw is $0.03. You have to earn that amount and withdraw it. So all this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. So the referral link is in the description. Bye.